So we have this one ready to go, and you can see we have caulked the backside some, the nails and any places that were broke, and now Amy's starting to prime it, and we're going to paint the back white. I scraped it the best I could. It's just constant. You could do scraping and scraping. It's very difficult, but tried to get the best we could. And for every board we put in, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 nails here, and then we put in more here. So you can see we 1, 2, 3, 10, 12, maybe 15. So about 250 nails. And the back side, well, this is the back side, but we'll see the front later on. So it's looking really good.